Hi, Sweet Stampin' friends. I'm Deborah Harrison with Simply Sweet and Ink Designs, and I just wanted to share with you today the projects for the June Stamp Club. It actually uses one of our new product suites called You're a Peach, and they are adorable. So the projects that we'll be making in the Stamp Club are 3 cards, a really cute home decor little plaque, and a really cute little treat box. So the project kit will include the pre-cut consumable supplies that you need to make the projects. Now there are some things that you will want to own in order to make the projects exactly how I made them. So let me go ahead, I'm going to move this off to the side and kind of share with you what those are so you can make sure you have everything you need to make these really adorable projects. Now there is a lot of stamping this time for the Stamp Club, so you'll want to make sure that you have the Sweet as a Peach bundle. So you can stamp, and then when you're done stamping, you can cut out all those really cute peaches and leaves. So also too, you will want to own some ink pads. Now, if you don't have these exact ink pads, but you have something similar, that's totally fine. You can use what you have. The only one I would really highly recommend that you have, if you don't already own it, is the Pale Papaya ink pad. Now, this is one of our new in colors, and it provides the foundation color for the peaches. So I would recommend having that. Also, too, you'll want to have an accent color for your peaches, and in this case, I use Calypso Coral. For my leaves, I use the Pear Pizzazz. For the sentiments, I use the Early Espresso, and then there were some flowers that I stamped in Balmy Blue. So you, like I said, you can either, if you have these, great. If you don't and you want to add them to an order, you can certainly do that. And otherwise, you can substitute with something else that you already have. There is one other thing, as I mentioned, you want to, we're going to be doing some like two-tone stamping. And so you'll want to make sure that with the Pale Papaya and the Calypso Coral, that you have some sponge daubers. And these actually come 5 to a pack, and they're little sponges that go on the tip of your finger so that you can ink up that darker color and then dab it around your stamp before you actually stamp it on your cardstock. So you'll want to make sure and have that. Also too, if you have never done one of my Stamp Club kits, I just kind of wanted to share with you what one looks like, because they're a lot of fun. So what you'll do, like I said, it includes all the pre-cut consumable supplies, so you'll have everything pre-cut for you, ready to go. You'll just need to do some stamping and die cutting. And you also too have the packets for the 3 cards. I'm going to share with you what one of those packets looks like. This actually makes the fun fold card. So everything is cut and in this case pre-scored for you for that fun fold. And it's got all your little cut supplies. So you'll also too, you'll have a sheet to do all your stamping. So if you would like to do this Stamp Club, the cost is $20, or it is free with a minimum order of $25 in my online store. Now, if you need help placing your order, I'm happy to help you key it in. Now, if you would like your project kit mailed to you, there is a $5 fee to cover the cost of the postage. Now, if you already have the bundle and you just want to cut everything yourself, provide all of your own cardstock and all the other elements, I do have the PDF in my PDF store as well for sale. So guys, if you would be interested in signing up for this, just check out my blog so you can see all my events and register and sign up there. Now the deadline to sign up for the June Stamp Club is June 4th, and I will be mailing the kits out around June 10th. So guys, also too, if you live locally here in San Antonio, we do have a local event where we get together, and we'll be getting together on Thursday, June 10th from 6 to 8 p.m. Central Time. So guys, I would love it if you're local and can join me and we can craft together. So guys, if you have any questions about this Stamp Club, please reach out to me. Otherwise, we'll talk to you next time. Bye guys.